Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to be doing a studio tour. So just to give it context before the main video starts, the video you're going to be seeing next was done a long time ago, actually, sometime last year, middle of last year. Moved in here a year and 2-3 months now, so there's been a lot of work that has been done in the studio, and so many changes and updates and arrangements that have been done. So just to give a bit of context before the video starts, I'm going to be doing a tour of how the studio was. I think this was about May last year, actually maybe March last year, and all the additions we've done in the studio. And I'm going to be doing another tour like currently to show you how the current studio looks like, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed the content of this video, give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, bye. So when you get into the studio, so that's the entrance door, and I've just got all these things on the side here. So I was using this table to fold the guys on the side, and then I've got these two boxes that needs tidying up. So at the minute, we've got this huge pile of clothes that needs to be put somewhere. And that is something we're going to be working on for the rest of this week and this month as well. We've still got the packaging table here, and some of these things needs to be sorted out because it's currently not like I would like it to be. I've still got my sewing machine here, and currently got some things on there that needs tidying up. And then this pile are things that needs my attention, that needs looking at, and all sorts. So we've still got the accessories. When I say accessories, what's it called, stationaries here. So I've still got my printing paper. I think I need to order some in because that's all that is left, and that is the thermal label printer. I hope that's what is in there. I've got I've got my baby wipes here. I've got my hanging tags here. Yeah, so that's the thermal printer label. So I've got quite a lot there, which is good. I've got the packaging bags here in the corner. Yeah, the spout it's sorting out. And then these two racks, so I got two new racks, so they're kind of like this ones, because we've kind of run out of space here. I know a lot of things still needs tidying, but I think I just thought we needed these two new racks, so they're going to be like somewhere here. So that means this whole side is going to be pushed down here a bit further. Well, it just needs rearranging. So that would be mounted here. This table, currently not use this table for anything reasonable right now, but it's going to remain there. And then I've got my supposed to be a coat hanger stand, but obviously it's become a hanger stand. I've got this box here, the suitcase here. I've got the bin on the side, suitcase, and then I've got this rack. So quite a lot of things we've got in now are things from our new collection. So everything here are things from our new collection. Some of them are currently not even live yet, but we've taken pictures of them, so they're going to be available in the next drop. So we've got this stand. This is mostly for our tops and jackets. And then we've got this stand, some tops here, and then, well, quite a lot of tops actually. And oh, actually some more tops. And we've got kimonos on this side as well. And then over to this side, so I've got all the midi dresses on this side, and we've got another batch of things that are currently here that needs tidying up and putting in a rack, which is why we've got the extra racks. And then this are for all the maxi dresses and some jumpsuits on this side. And on the back is a hot mess. I would not usually show it, but Hello, we're currently doing a before and after tour. So there you have it. So I've just got my camera here, and I've got the trousers and some more jumpsuits here. I've got the men's wear here, and then, are you ready? Woof! Junks and mod junks, everything all piled up. I'm not sure what my pregnancy pillow is doing here. It needs to go to the bin. This suitcase is currently empty. I'm not sure why it's here. And then this suitcase has got some things from the last shoot. I was just hoping to do some more video content, which is why I still have it here. So it will need sorting out. And then these are all the custom maxi dresses that I actually have in. And then far back is the jumpers and hoodies, and on that extreme is just neck scarf and some threads and whatnot, and some fabrics I'm hoping that I'll get around to using at some point, but I'm not sure when. So that's what we're currently on now. So there's quite a lot of changes that will need to be done in this month of May. A lot of things will need to move, change around and whatnot. I'll probably just I'll show you some of the process that we'll be going through. So myself and my assistants, we did all of this and the ones on the other side, and then we'll start doing the racks. So we'll get that set up. I'm not sure if we can do it tomorrow because we've got like things we need to ship out, and then we need to also like fold the things in this boxes and in the suitcase. But is on the to-do list to get this rack set up tomorrow so that we can start putting things in it. I think that's what it is at the minute. So I'll show you the process while it's going on, and then I'll do another tour when this is all complete. Hi guys, so I'm going to be rearranging my studio today. So from the last tour I did show you that there were some things on the floor that I need to set up one more rack somewhere here. I know we're kind of outgrowing the space, but it kind of works for me because I'm currently looking after a baby, also working from home. So it's just easy for me to do as much as I can do here. So I just cramp in as much as I can get into this place. So I'm going to set up 2 more racks here, and then all the things I had rearranged from our last collection are going to be all here. Obviously they're still going to be categorized according to, like, so midi dresses will be on one rack, maxi dresses, jumpsuits, so things like that, just so it's easy for anyone coming to pick anything up to know where things are. So I'm going to start working on it now. I've got quite a lot of things in the way, so I will tidy up and then just show you what is going on as I'm doing it. Okay, so that's one done in 30 minutes. Okay guys, so I have managed to set the 2 racks up. So that's currently what it looks like. So I just need to put things on there and then kind of rearrange how this place looks like, because I've moved my sewing machine from that corner. When I move all the things in that end, then I'll be able to move the packaging table all the way there. I move my sewing machine on the side. So I just need to start moving things. And I think the time now, because I'm doing this at night, because that's the only time I can get these things done. The time is currently low battery. So the time is currently 1:35 a.m. So this is the time I get to do things like this that involves a lot of physical work to be done. So I've done this now. I'll try and get as much as I can on the rack, and then everything else would have to be done later. I think I've got a few items I need to amend with the sewing machine, which is what I need to clear that place out and then move the table there and move my sewing machine there. So I'll just try and get that done as quickly as I can. I'm hoping that I can finish here by 3 a.m. Even if I don't finish at 3 a.m, I would still need to go to bed because I think I'm a bit tired now. Tomorrow is another day. Okay guys, so I have managed to do, I think, the limits I've got to do today. So like you can see, I've set up the rack behind. I just need to move that white stationary thing away from there. Tidy up this table a little bit because it's looking like a hot mess. The table behind me, I've kind of sorted that out with the things we'll sending out tomorrow. And then my sewing machine, I think I'm going to adjust those two. I'm going to work on those two this night before I go to bed. And it's currently, it's actually past 3 a.m. so it's 3:12 a.m. I should be able to leave it at 3:30 because I've literally had enough, and I need to at least catch some sleep before it's morning. So that's how much I've managed to get done today, and I'm quite happy with how much I've been able to do. So this is all cleared up. So those are things I need to fold away. The box would probably just be there because I need that for a video content next week. So all that has been tidied up. All that are things, orders that would need to go out tomorrow, I think. And then I need to work on those on my sewing machine, and that is pretty much it. So all the spaces we've got on here, the things on in the other corner on the floor would all be in here, and we kind of rearrange or tidy up the studio just a little bit, so things are kind of where it needs to be. And yeah, so when this is all done, I will do another tour of how the studio looks. So hopefully we should be able to get that done. It's going to be a work in progress. Like as I've said before, things are going to be coming in and going out and getting rearranged and whatnot. But yeah, when we finish this phase of arrangement, I'm going to do another tour just to let you know, or just so you can see how much we've been able to do. All right guys, I would catch you guys later.